And why do we gather? At the same time, friends from all over the world converge on Jingdezhen, coming to Taoxichun. It's a grand cultural party. Their countries are different, their languages are different, their cultures are different. But one thing is the same: the pursuit of beauty and love. Beauty is in their eyes. Beauty is in their works. Beauty is in the night of Taoxichun. And beauty is in their greetings to each other. When the love in everyone's heart is ignited, beauty becomes ubiquitous, shining brightly, illuminating each other. One person trekking through mountains and rivers, another person crossing oceans, countless people coming together, generates a powerful force called unity. Gathering is a kind of power.